How to bookmark a website in Microsoft Edge. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily bookmark a website in Microsoft Edge and add it to your favorites bar. So let's dive right in. First thing first, let's make sure your favorite bar is visible. In order to do this, you need to open the Microsoft Edge. Once you have done that, look for the three dots menu in the top right corner. Simply click on it and then hover over favorites. From there, you need to again click on the three dots menu over here. Once you have done that, you need to select Show Favorites bar and you can choose to show it always, only on new tabs or never. I recommend always for easy access. Now that we have the favorites bar ready, let's bookmark a website. Navigate to the website you want to bookmark. Once you are there, click on the star icon in the address bar. A small window will pop up. Here you can name your bookmark and choose where to save it. Make sure to select favorites bar from the drop down menu, click done, and then your website is now bookmarked. And that's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.